In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable RCS messaging on Android phone and turn off chats. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, RCS is a standard for most Android devices, and however, if your messages are stuck as sent or if you are switching to an iPhone and not receiving text, you need to turn off RCS chats to revert to standard SMS. And in the US, Samsung Messages is being discontinued in favor of Google Messages, so most users will now find these settings within the Google app. So what you want to go ahead and do is use Google Messages. So we're going to open up the Messages application, tap your profile picture on the top right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see Messages settings. Go over to that. Then over here, you want to find RCS chats, but that's usually going to be at the very top anyway. And all you want to do is turn RCS chats off. Go ahead like that. It's going to say turn off RCS chats, not available when you turn it off. High quality photos and videos, RCS group chats, read receipts, typing indicators, messaging with Wi-Fi or data, and messaging with Gemini. Once you're happy with it, press turn off on the bottom and you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.